Hey Booze, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and let's keep the family growing. Let's keep the family growing. As you guys remember, my original YouTube name was Send Coffee Please, and coffee is like my crack. I've been seeing this Tik Tok coffee going around. It's like a whipped coffee, and I thought I have to make this. So today I'm going to bring you guys a quick hack on how to make this super fast without tiring your arm muscles, because you know we all have flabs and you just can't just be whipping and whipping for hours, you know. So I'm going to put my DIY spin on the whipped coffee. So first you're going to need a drill, and then you're gonna need a whip. Oh my gosh, pardon the evil laugh. So let's go see if this works. You guys know to make the coffee, you're going to need your instant coffee. You're going to need sugar. I'm using cane sugar. I'm going to be adding pumpkin spice to mine, but you don't have to. And then you need some hot water. So we're going to be using a tablespoon, and it's equal parts. So you want to add in 1, 2, your cane sugar, 1, 2, and because I'm weird, I'm going to add my pumpkin spice, but I'm not gonna do too much. I think that's about enough. I want the flavor of the pumpkin with that, like, it overpowering it. It's working. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh, this is messy. Okay, so what I hear about this coffee is that it's legit liquid crack. You're supposed to stir it, And drinking this apparently makes you super productive, and next thing you know, you pass out and you wake up having ran laps around your house and having done legit every single thing you meant to do: laundry, dishes, built a new house. So I'm hoping after I drink this, I hope that I don't have a heart attack, but that instead I can make my productive video and knock out everything I need to knock out. Fingers crossed. Wish me luck. I wish I had some whipped cream, but we can't go to the store. This is strong. Whew. Yo, try out my hack, make your own, and hopefully it turns out as good as mine did. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, may your quarantine game be as strong as your coffee game. I love you, Latte. Bye, boos. I'm gonna be bouncing up the wall. This is good. Holy shiznit. I need to call my best friend and tell her about this.